Become a better person. Try this advice. Treat people the same way you want to be treated. Be kind. If you don't agree on something, have patience. Let them talk and you listen. If someone is getting angry about something that you are talking about, change the topic. Always have manners. Say please and thank you. Doing good deeds gives you good karma. Help others when they most need it. Treat people online the same way you would treat people face to face. Let go of anger. It creates problems for you and others around you. Take care of yourself. Exercise weekly and eat healthily at home, but eat what you want when you go out. Two people can have the same correct answer, so work together and see which works better. Open your eyes to your surroundings. Act on what you see and not what you're told.